Alright, picture this. You're walking toward a cruise ship, ready for the vacation of a lifetime, and suddenly a sailor yells,
Gangway!
Wait, are we being robbed? Is there a gang fight happening?
Relax, buddy, no one's about to throw hands on deck. Gangway is just an old-school nautical term for the ramp you walk up to board a ship. Welcome back to the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel. But why do sailors call it that instead of just a ramp? Well, today we're diving into the surprisingly weird history of the gangway. First things first, this thing right here, it's not a bridge, it's not a fancy ramp, and it's definitely not a pirate plank. It's a gangway, the official way to get on and off a ship. Back in the day, ships didn't exactly have comfy cruise terminals or smooth gangways like today. Nope, sailors would climb sketchy wooden planks, sometimes even just a few ropes tied together. One is a safe and sturdy boarding ramp, the other, a guaranteed way to start your trip with a broken ankle. So, why is it called a gangway? Well, it comes from the Old English word gang, meaning to go walk or move, like gangplank, the thing pirates made people walk off of.
Take the gangway to Davy Jones' locker, you scallywag.
Yeah, except today the only thing you're walking toward is an all-you-can-eat buffet, so put it together, and gangway literally means the way to go. Makes sense, right? Okay, but here's where things get funny. Back in the day, docks were chaotic. Crowds, cargo, animals, utter madness. Sailors needed a way to shove through the crowd to board their ships, so what did they do?
Gangway.
It was basically the old-timey version of yelling "move it or lose it."
Who are we running from?
Relax, Karen, nobody's chasing us. It just means make way so the crew can get through. So, have you ever heard someone yell gangway and thought something crazy was happening?
Yeah, I thought there was a gang-related emergency, or maybe someone was falling overboard.
Honestly, fair assumption, a pirate fight is about to break out, a crime is happening, you need to start running, crew members need space, so move. So now you know, the gangway is just the fancy sailor word for a boarding ramp, and yelling, gangway, is just a way to clear a path, not start a bar fight. But hey, if you ever want to freak out your fellow passengers, now you know what to yell. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, or just love weird nautical facts, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite weird ship term? Have you ever heard someone yell gangway before? What's the funniest nautical term you've ever heard? Subscribe for more maritime madness. It costs you nothing, unless you would like to buy us a coffee. If you do, you can find the link in our channel description, or by visiting buymecoffee.com/cruiseship. Those that are so kind will get a mention in one of our upcoming videos. Stay legal and stay salty and keep the gangway clear. Why not watch next? Why do sailors call it the head? See you next time.